atibatike zvechopu chopu.
Muri Zimbabwe ndadzoka zvekare. I am back kunge musana munozviziva kuti pana pa Kulian TV ndinenge ndiripo ndichitefenura ndichibata nyaya ndichibata dzese dzinenge dzichitaurika kuma TV mana ese enyika kwamunodari muri ikoko. Panapa pane nyaya iri kunetsa yemukoma nemuning'ina unongozva kuti mukoma Sly Media vari pakunetsana nemuning'ina wavo uyo anonzi Robert Tapfumaneyi. Robert Tapfumaneyi ndiye mutevedzani wanhingirikini wa atingati mutevedzane mudiki wavo muning'ina wavo munun'una wavo, but kunetsana kuripo manje ndepekuti munun'una akazonotanga yake kambani. Muri kubata pane nyaya yacho. So muning'ina paakatanga yake kambani, mukoma wavo pamwe pakuparadzana apa hazvina kunyatsoningirikina kunyatsopera mushe, because pane mashoko akawanda akanenge akuzongobuda kuti unonge chitongo expecta kuti inini mvana wangu akaningirikina panapa sedha anozodzoka achiti mukoma sorry zvenyu ndakaita dzungu ndikukumbirawo kuregererwa handiti mukuzviona. Robert Tapfumaneyi paakabuda kuSly Media ane mashoko akawanda ainzi aifamba achitaura honestly according to ivo vakomana apo zataura kuti zvoni iye anga kufamba achitotora makastoma achiti hayo zveSly Media zvadhakwa uyai kuno kumazuva ano ndokwaane chimuti ndokwaane chishuga dzese ndo pari kunetsana ava mukoma nemuning'ina manje. Saka panapa pari kuzonzi aiwa inzwa ika setting the record straight why Robert Tapfumaneyi left Sly Media. The 7th of December 2025 marks exactly 2 years after Robert Tapfumaneyi betrayed me and started his own company under clumsy circumstances. Today I am writing to address some misinformation circulating about my qualifications and my relationship with Robert Tapfumaneyi, a former employee of Sly Media TV. Recently Robert has claimed that I, Sylvester Tapfumaneyi, has never seen the door of any media college. This statement is false and should be dismissed with proof. In 2016, I went for 7 months without salary while he was working for Rooftop Promotions. During this time, he was wearing a black worn out shoe that he had lost its store. His car had lost its green color with no tax or insurance for almost a year. He had a laptop with a cracked screen from the bottom left to the center with no battery. His rent was in arrears. He called me saying, I'm leaving Davis Guja because he is not paying, and continued to say he was going to be a freelancer. I took this opportunity to explain my online TV vision, which was already running in UK, but only that most Zimbabweans, including Robert, had no internet to watch. After explaining, Robert said in his own words, I don't know about technology, but I will support you. Okay, dear brother, I will pay your rent and give you fuel every week. My request was, as you freelance, I would want you to take video of some stories you are harnessing using a Note 2 phone that I bought, and asked him to email the video as I wanted to feed my YouTube. Ndipo pakatangira training yake ye camera. I did this for a year, paying his rent and fuel without fail. I remember asking him later on to leave freelance work and work full-time for me. The idea worked, and Robert started gaining lost popularity and actually said, Mukoma, you have changed my life. You have given me a lifeline and a name. And now, in a recent interview with DJ Spark, I shared that Robert was my dependent and student in media from 2016 until December 7, 2023. Remember, before he joined ZBC TV as a journalist, I covered his tuition fees at Xhosa College, where he did not focus on television production but print media. When Robert joined Sly Media TV, he was not trained as a camera operator or video editor. I personally trained him with the help of Julius and Evans in essential skills for the digital media landscape, including vision mixing, directing, mount camera productions, live streaming with Wirecast, state of the art equipment, social media marketing, talk show hosting, business management, and HR solutions. I also brought in qualified professionals from outside to train our team, Sly Media TV, in various areas to close skills gaps. Unfortunately, Robert has chosen to undermine my contributions to his career for his personal gain, as fight for media space to drive attention to his copy and paste online TV, which he used my own template, which I find very regrettable. Attached is my Bitech diploma obtained from Bedford College in the UK 14 years before the inception of Sly Media TV in Zimbabwe 2017. I hereby call upon other journalists to verify my diploma using my candidate number as seen on the diploma. Additionally, I'm a ZBC trained technical operator with expertise in camera production, lighting, audio production. I'm also a former student for mass communication Kosa College in Harare. Not to mention that I was a producer, a presenter, soccer commentator for at both Radio 2, Radio Zimbabwe. The circumstances surrounding Robert Tapfumaneyi's departure from Sly Media is outlined by Sylvester Tapfumaneyi are that Robert left abrupt and without notice. I hereby make the record straight that Robert's departure was linked to his inability to account for cash he had received from all traditional healers. While Sylvester was in UK, our red card was that each visit to record and publicize their works, they would pay $200 and he would record an average of 3 videos per week. During the rise of Sekuru Bunza, Sekuru Tashu, Sekuru Kanengo, Sekuru Achapola, Sekuru Nyangatayani, etc., none of the cash received was handed over to the director. When asked to attend a hearing by the HR consultant on 11 December 2023 as a professional standard to resolve conflicts at workplaces, he resigned with no handover to me. When I arrived from UK, although he knew that I was going to return to UK, he did not advise me not to buy a return ticket, even though he knew he had already started his channel running parallel to SMTV, which he was uploading content in November 2023, and he had 10 posts using Sly Media TV resources. He then later deleted everything that he had loaded during the month of November before December 8, while under a Sly Media TV ticket, which is criminal to your own so-called brother. His failure to manage the funds is highlighting as a primary reason for his exit from the company. Simple audit by just counting the videos for the traditional healers. Robert abused over $60,000 in 2 years. I did my investigations and I was told by traditional healers that their books show that Robert was being paid, including bonuses and convening the money to his own use. I did not receive anything from him, not even a WhatsApp message that I have collected so much this week from traditional healers. It's now 2 years. I've never spoken publicly about it, trying to keep it in house, but this time I have to defend what is rightfully mine. Kumwe kunyarara uchinzi, it's your brother kuno kuuraya. I went through a very serious depression. Zirinane kufa wataura as rituals are being done. Robert actually mentioned it. That is what they are doing, rituals, because he has already issued death threats to me and DJ Sparks, claiming that he has already had meeting with his powerful legion of ngangas. This is something very scary. If you were in my shoes, I remember my late brother Robert, that if I had not recruited him to join me, he was never going to be friends with these traditional healers, because they would not have seen a value in him for their business, which was captured by my vision. Nganga dzakaita mari and dzichiri kuita mari because of my vision. Today, some of the ngangas unite with Robert to perform rituals for my downfall, but Mwari Hada Sly Media is a God-given vision. Additionally, there is an implication that Robert's actions may have been motivated by a desire to discredit Sylvester for personal gain. As we compete for the same media space, after learning from me how this social media business works, the Avenues Clinic bill, I've seen too good to Robert to deserve this treatment of being called jealous bragger. May I bring to your attention that Robert, yes, twins, bless them, who were born premature, and for 3 months they were admitted at the one of the most expensive hospitals in Harare, the Avenues Clinic. His wife's medication aid, he had a huge shortfall. Ladies and gentlemen, let me bring to your attention that I paid the bills for 3 months using our company's bank card. Then Robert pays me back by stealing from the same small growing company. The twins were the reason why I increased his salary from $750 to $1,000. So as to listen the burden, not because he was a university graduate. Robert, as a journalist, overrates himself as a very excellent and good journalist. My question is, if he was that good, why is that endorsement never came after him? For 7 years, he worked at Sly Media TV. Even now, look at Comic Pastor. How many adverts did he get on his monthly comic awards? And now look at DJ Ola 7. He is followed by adverts from corporates, but it's not the same with him. Why is it so? Takafanana, we are just average presenters who are trying to put food on the table, period. I'm explaining all this background so that you will understand that I mean by the fact that he betrayed me. Hence the reason I wanted a head-to-head podcast. No one can give counseling when you don't understand this background between me and our now untouchable celebrity Robert. It's a pity that some good friends are saying I should not wash dirty linen in public, but Robert featured Apostle Dunamis' nasty divorce with Bob Carter, a story on his page. Robert featured former President Mugabe's son, giving us series as he chronicled his life. Week in, week out, Robert's page is full of stories of mothers who are being said are involved in witchcraft. Vangani vakanzi varoi. You guys enjoy those stories, but you never mention could these people have families, have children, or social media, what. Now it's my true story. Makuti usafumure hapka. Robert akafumura hapka dzema families mangani pa page rake. Regai nditaure pane kufira mugumbo sesokisi. Furthermore, I hereby tell every reader that when I left for UK in the year 2000, I left Robert in professional possession of my Mazda 323 yellow in color, which he sold without my consent. So rekuba akabva nazo kare ndichimuregerera kumusungisa hama dzichiti usadaro Sly. I forgave him and still gave him a lifetime to join me at Sly Media and became my first paid employee in Zimbabwe. And for the record, I was overpaying him in salaries for his last 2 years at $1,000 per month, even though he did not have a degree to qualify for that salary range from 2021 to 2023. He only has a diploma from COSA and PR diploma, which was not necessary for a small company with 7 employees at the time. How many journalists in Zimbabwe with a degree who are being paid that much in Zimbabwe? For the record, see his certificate issued to him and others like Turumbidzwa, Rudea, Tatenda, Mapiri, Ruvimbo, Nyika Dzino, following in a house training to empower him with others. Ndini ndave kushanirwa nemunhu aiti haazive zvetechnology ndakamudzidzisa nhasi ndapandukirwa is true kurera imbwa nemukaka mangwana inofuma yokuruma. You may not understand the pain yekurumwa kwacho. This is good for my health. I'm coming out of depression he caused 2 years back. For how long should I suffer in silence? So far his highlight certificate in TV production in recent years that I know is one which we issued him after training him 2016 to 2019 and beyond, although he claims to have been to Spain for 2 years. That surely had nothing to do with TV production, because at that time he was a print journalist only. How then would you be invited for something he was not practicing in Zimbabwe? Again, a big lie. Our files have nothing to show for that visit, which had nothing to do with TV production. Ngaribude certificate reku Spain. Robert should tell the world who trained him camera and editing and social media marketing and produce a different certificate which proves me wrong. He was a journalist without technical skills, and 70% of skills he now has were passed on him at Sly Media TV, led by myself, having started new media in UK. At ZBC TV, he was never allowed to touch a camera, so akadzidza camera kupi when there was no equipment to Xhosa College when he trained as a journalist then. Driver's license. When I left for UK in 2021, Robert was using a fake driver's license, and I don't know where and how journalists got it. Letter of demand. He is in possession of a letter of demand with details of missing funds written to him via his email. A man of honor would have cleared his name and corrupt activities in the presence of an HR manager before moving on to form his company, which I am not jealous of, because Maria ku YouTube atife takaipedza chero tese tikaita my YouTube channels. However, he has chosen to become a father of lies behind the scenes in an effort to damage my name. After his departure in 2023, he bought 3 new cars in 3 months that also needed a lifestyle audit. Kudya mari yechema donated by traditional healers is a story for another day. Lastly, I hereby call for a live podcast where the presenter and viewers will ask both Robert and myself some questions live to put the record straight. Takambonyarara bati kuzonzi atina chikoro kwaita kuti neniwo ndizivise nyika umbavha wake. We tried counseling privately ndikaitwa drama vedu we ndakanyara pamberi pevanhu vachiedza kuti batanidza. I'm saying this because a lot of people are offering this platform, but I will not repeat it in secret. Takazviedza mufunge. It didn't work because Robert is a very arrogant, rough, unpleasant, ungrateful and violent individual who thrives in secret. For the record, my apologies, but let it be known that I have lost a lot already in the name of love to someone who does not deserve that love. In our family, Robert received more favors from me than anyone, followed by Evelyn Wandaka Chenketa vana vake, but now she says a very huge heap of nonsense. I lost 450 pounds in October, 4,500 pounds, in October 2023 to here, when I paid and arranged a certificate of sponsorship to travel to work in UK. I still hold that COS as she refuses to travel to UK. Last minute apa vana vake vaidya pandaichengeta amai pamba yandakavaka ndega kubindura. Bless you vazukuru vangu. I built this house as a thank you to your struggles raising us as a single mom. Robert achitaura kuti zvekuchengeta amai ndezvevana Sylvester, my firstborn. Okay, today Robert and Evelyn Tapfumaneyi manufactures cross stories for this kind-hearted men of genuine love. Everyone in our family has a nasty message from Evelyn achituka mashoko makukutu kuvanhu vasina mhosva. 2023 is a year I will never forget. Betrayed. Taurai Tapfumaneyi Sylvester. So guys, if you guys still remember last time I came here ndikataura nyaya ya Evelyn muma comments, but I didn't know kuti Evelyn uyuchi ndi sister wavo. Mukuzona Evelyn ndi sister wavo. I didn't know honestly, and ndinotombongera tozviziva ini kuti Evelyn Tapfumaneyi ndi sister wavo. Maziniki nacho vanawo shame vanawo, but for the record straight kunoona unenge achida kumaona munokwanisa kuenda pane page ramukoma Sly Media racho munoonera ipapo. The reason ndisiri kukwanisa kumabuditsa pa screen pangu because akanyorwa onzi confidential iye hake, even though chero amabuditsa platform pake, but I will respect that kuti andikwanisa kuzomabuditsa. So mukoma Robert vaita inonzi clapback manyama. Kune zvinhu zviri kuitika mumastreets ese esocial media. Nyaya yavo nemunun'una vavo ndo nyaya iri kunetsa panapa hama dzadiwa. Saka ndangoti ndigedza ndingotopfuura nepanapa nditese nditaurewo semunhu wani ane zvivindi zvakaboiliswa, zvivindi zvakagochwa. Handina mangwana handitenderere. Kulian TV ndokubasa.